Nerdfighters. They live among us, invisible to those who don't know what to look for. These Nerdfighters are native to Nerdfighter Island, though now they have migrated to places all around the world. Their only distinguishing feature is their overwhelming awesome. Nerdfighters usually remain within the safety of basements. They rarely leave their homes with the exception of expanding their knowledge, attending Nerdfighter gatherings, and fighting Decepticons. Nerdfighters love to eat many nutritional foods, including blenderized meals, pizza, and corn dogs, but peeps are considered a delicacy. The Nerdfighters are always seeking other Nerdfighters for companionship. Here is very rare footage of a Nerdfighter's mating call.
DFTBA! 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 Nerdfighters! DFTBA!
Researchers have worked tirelessly to try and translate this call. They believe it means, "Darling, fetch the battle axe. Drunk fish, try breathing air. Darkened forest, take bravery away. Debutante's fame tarnished by affairs. And don't forget to be awesome." Though docile, Nerdfighters become enraged and turn into giant squids of anger when provoked. This is usually caused by improper grammar, or in this case, girls dumbing themselves down for boys.
Steph, I have this problem. There's this guy I like, but he thinks I'm too smart for him. Do you think I should dumb down a little?
French salon, no! Are you crazy, girl? Johnny Twinner! The Venn diagram of guys you don't want to date and guys who think you're too smart for them is a circle.
So if ever you cross paths with a Nerdfighter, do not be alarmed. They merely wish to decrease world suck and increase the awesome.